Hello and welcome back to another construction update here at Six Flags Dubai at Dubai Parks and Resorts. It is currently the 28th of December 2017, very close to New Year, and since my last update, lots has happened here. So I'll take you along and just show you what is new here at Dubai Parks and Resorts. So as a start, I have came down here to what will be the entrance to Six Flags Dubai. In 2019, this road leading here will lead you straight into the entrance of the park. You've got a digger here, probably just digging up some foundations, and then yeah, so I don't know if I can poke the camera over, but there's what's going on. Didn't see that, but probably some stuff. Yeah, there's a little gap underneath here, so I can poke the camera underneath here and see what we got going on here. So that is Six Flags Dubai. I'm just going to go now, just in case I get told off. But very exciting stuff. That will be the entrance, and as I'm sure you saw right there, work is coming on very well. I'll go to a different location now. So I've come to the bridge that's next to the Peter Hotel, just so I can get a better view. And as you can see, a lot has been happening over the past month or so. We've got some more better foundations down there. And over there as well. The building towards the back is coming on really well. There's a roof that's been put in place. This park is going to be very shaded, so yeah, over here we've got a few pipes, probably for sewage and stuff, and then over there is foundations for where the Pulsar clone is going to be going, so that's exciting to see. Yeah, there's a digger over there doing stuff, lots of workers just lifting heavy equipment. Those diggers down there digging up some stuff, and down by the entrance, cranes lifting heavy things as they do. So yeah, not much going on down there, but I don't think much will go down here. It's more where that mound is, and then that's it. So yeah, I'll go over there now and get a different look on the site. Okay, so I'm here at the Le Peter Resort in the sort of car park area for a different view of the park, and as you can see, there are the pipes. There's going to be the Pulsar clone. There's also some more pits being dug out over there. I think that's where I think it's a Gerstlauer bobsled or a spinner. I couldn't tell from the concept art. There's some ones going on in the background there as well. A few dunes over there, and yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to say now, because I've basically been repeating myself as I usually do. So yeah, this is basically Six Flags Dubai as of now. Looking forward to seeing this park progress in the future. It will be very interesting to watch, and stay tuned for more construction updates. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. See you next time.